Hey guys, Brandon with Off Leash Canine Training. I'm here with Charlie, who I just picked up for our world famous 2-week board and train program. Charlie's a 6-month-old male golden doodle. Lots of energy, but also lots of intelligence. We just haven't tapped into it yet. The owners have had a little bit of trouble trying to teach him things, and they want to definitely get him on track so that they're able to enjoy him the best that they can. Charlie does know sit and knows it very well, except for when he's got something to kind of steer his focus away from things. If he's distracted or he's into something else at that moment, all bets are off. He's not doing it. Charlie, come. Come. Charlie, come. Charlie, come. 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 Good boy. Charlie, sit. Charlie, sit. Good. Shake. 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 Good boy, Charlie. Good boy, Charlie. Charlie, down. Nope. Off. Charlie, down. Down. Sit. Down. 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 Charlie, place. 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 Charlie, place. Place. Why are you trying to lick my hands? Charlie, place. 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 Charlie. Place. Charlie, come. Heel. 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 So clearly he's got a very limited understanding of most of this stuff. Definitely none of his advanced stuff. He does know sitting, no shake. And that's about it. And again, that's only when you've got his 100% focus, he's willing to do this stuff. Jumping's a huge issue, so I'm going to definitely work on that with him as quickly as possible, and then kind of go over the rest of everything else he needs to know before he goes home. We've got 14 days to make him amazing for his owners. I can't wait to show you guys his progress. I can't wait to see what I'm able to pull off with him. Should be a really, really fun 14 days. Looking forward to it. We will see you back here when we're done.